The ancient halls of Kyoto's imperial palace buzzed with tension as young Emperor Mutsuhito, soon to be known as Emperor Meiji, prepared to reclaim power from the Tokugawa shogunate. It was 1868, and Japan stood on the precipice of a radical transformation. For over 2 centuries, the country had remained isolated, frozen in feudal traditions while the world raced ahead. Now, faced with the threat of Western imperialism, a coalition of forward-thinking samurai and court nobles had orchestrated a coup d'etat to restore imperial rule and modernize the nation. As the last shogun, Tokugawa Yoshinobu, resigned his position, Emperor Meiji issued the Charter Oath, a revolutionary document promising sweeping reforms. The young emperor, barely 16 years old, became the symbol of a new Japan. Over the next decades, the country would undergo a breathtaking metamorphosis. Feudal domains were abolished, a modern military was established, and Western-style education was implemented. The capital was moved to Tokyo, formerly Edo, signaling a definitive break with the old order. Japan's transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Within a single generation, the country evolved from an isolated agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse. Factories sprang up where rice paddies once stood, and steamships replaced wooden sailing vessels. As Emperor Meiji donned Western-style military uniforms, symbolizing Japan's new direction, the nation emerged as a force to be reckoned with on the world stage. The Meiji Restoration had set Japan on a path that would lead it to become a major world power, forever altering the balance of power in East Asia and beyond.